Hello, Enter 3 V3 Plus users. V3 Plus supports a wide range of filaments. Today, we will explore the applications of various filaments from beginner to pro level. For your reference, PLA is a good starting point for everyone. It is colorful and easy to print, able to deal with most toys, storage boxes, and decorative items. It is also cheap and odorless. You will surely love it. We just printed a dragon. Check it out. PETG is a semi-rigid material with excellent chemical resistance. It adheres well with almost negligible warpage and delivers glossy and smooth surface finish. It is a nice choice for general purposes. This is the PET bottle we have printed. For your reference, TPU is elastic and can deliver rubber-like impact-resistant objects like product shells, shoe soles, and even basketball, but it requires uniform and reliable direct extrusion. We have printed a wool with TPU. Very nice. ABS is known in industries for its mechanical strength, chemical resistance, and thermal stability. It is widely used in prototypes, fixtures, mechanical parts, etc. The example is this buckle. PLACF and PETGCF and CR carbon are enhanced for rigidity, strength, and dimensional stability with carbon fiber. They are ideal for aerospace, automotive, and other heavy-duty applications. Check this PLACF pedal. To wrap up, Ender 3 V3 Plus can handle both everyday and pro-level materials. You can choose any type on your demand. Thanks for watching.